Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, where we delve into the wonders of the natural world. Today, we're going to explore one of the most fascinating and alien-like ecosystems on our planet, deep sea hydrothermal vents. Imagine being thousands of feet beneath the ocean's surface, surrounded by an endless darkness that's punctuated only by the faint glow of bioluminescent creatures. It's here, in this harsh and seemingly inhospitable environment, that we find one of the most remarkable ecosystems on Earth, deep sea hydrothermal vents. These underwater springs are like nothing you've ever seen before. They're essentially giant chimneys that spew forth superheated water and minerals from the Earth's crust, creating a unique chemical landscape that supports an astonishing array of life. But what exactly are deep sea hydrothermal vents? Simply put, they're underwater geological formations that occur when seawater comes into contact with hot rocks or magma beneath the ocean floor. This interaction causes the water to heat up and become rich in minerals, which then rise up through the vent, creating a plume of chemicals that can support life. The first scientific documentation of these vents dates back to the 1970s, when scientists discovered giant tube worms and other bizarre creatures thriving around these underwater springs. From a biological perspective, deep sea hydrothermal vents are home to some of the most extreme and fascinating organisms on the planet. Giant tube worms, vent crabs, and deep sea fish are just a few examples of the incredible diversity of life that can be found in these ecosystems. But how do these creatures survive in such a hostile environment? The answer lies in their unique adaptations, which allow them to harness the chemical energy from the vents to sustain themselves. For example, giant tube worms have no mouth or digestive system, yet they're able to thrive by using symbiotic bacteria that convert chemicals into energy. One of the key researchers who contributed to our understanding of deep sea hydrothermal vents is Dr. Thermal Vents is Dr. Thermal. John Corliss, a marine biologist who was part of the team that first discovered these ecosystems in the 1970s. Since then, numerous scientists have built on this work, exploring the complex relationships between vent organisms and their environment. For instance, studies have shown that vent crabs are able to regulate their body temperature by moving up or down the vent chimney, while deep-sea fish have developed specialized organs that allow them to detect the faint glow of bioluminescent creatures in the darkness. But deep-sea hydrothermal vents aren't just interesting from a biological perspective, they also play a crucial role in the ocean's ecosystem. These vents serve as nurseries for certain species, providing a safe haven for juvenile fish and other organisms to grow and develop. Additionally, the unique chemistry of the vents can impact the surrounding seawater, influencing global ocean circulation patterns and even affecting the Earth's climate. Despite their importance, deep-sea hydrothermal vents are vulnerable to human impacts, such as mining and drilling, which could potentially disrupt these delicate ecosystems. It's essential that we continue to study and protect these underwater wonders, not only for their intrinsic value, but also for the insights they provide into the Earth's history, the origins of life, and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. As we explore the complex relationships between deep-sea hydrothermal vents and their environment, we begin to appreciate the intricate web of life that exists on our planet. We see how these ecosystems are connected to others, forming a vast network of relationships that underpin the health of our oceans and our planet as a whole. And we're reminded that even in the most extreme environments, there's always the potential for life to thrive, a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.